Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Ali from Recipe Box NG. So today I decided we're going to make something traditional, something native. We're going to make egusi soup. To start, I have some goat meat and I'm going to put some salt, lots of salt to wash it. After washing it, I will add some onions, garlic and ginger paste, some seasoning cubes, salt and water. And let it cook on medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes while we go on and prepare all the other ingredients for the soup. I have some dry fish. I'm going to add some hot water and let this soak. After that, I have my tomatoes, peppers and onions. I'm going to blend that. For my tomatoes, I'm going to remove this middle part because it's usually sour and I do not want my egusi to be sour. On medium low heat, I'm going to put my pot and add my palm oil. I'm going to add my blended tomatoes and onions. And then I have some Kpomo that I'm going to wash, cut into small cubes and then add it into my tomato. Let this fry quite well while we prepare the egusi. All recipe measurement and amounts will be down in the description box, so please just check that out. Here I have about 3 cups of egusi, blended onions in there, and I'm going to mix it. Make sure it's all mixed well before you start adding the water. As I said before, all measurement will be down in the description box. Add water little by little until it makes a paste. This is the consistency you need for this paste. As you can see, this is well fried. Now is the right time to add my egusi in. Add it chunk by chunk until you add everything in. From time to time, you're going to use your spoon and stir it little by little so that it doesn't burn. But don't stir it too much. You just want it to fry and cook, and then let all that egusi soak in the tomatoes, the sauce and the palm oil. It's just going to soak everything in. While that's frying and we keep checking from time to time, I'll go ahead and prepare our vegetables. Here I have some bitter leaf. Bitter leaf is very nice for egusi soup. I love it, but you can use any leaf you have, and then I'll mix it with some ugu leaf. And this is how you know that your egusi is well fried, because you can't see any sauce or any oil around it. It's all soaked in that egusi. We go ahead and add in the rest of our ingredients and let this cook. Add in our cooked meat and the stock all together. I have some crayfish here that I'm going to add. And then we're going to just rinse the bowl that we used to make that egusi paste and then add the water in. Add 1 or 2 extra seasoning cubes. You can add as much water as you need at this point. Next, we go in with our vegetables. We have the bitter leaf and the ugu leaf. We add that in, and if we need extra water, you can add that also. You decide the consistency you want. I like this. I like mine exactly as it is right now. That dry fish that we soaked, that is what we're going to add next. And this is it. Like, we are done adding everything. Cover this and let it cook for about 3 minutes and you can serve. This is so beautiful. Come on guys, you have to try this. You have to make this. If you are used to making egusi soup and you feel I did something that is not right, or there's something I need to add, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, why don't you go ahead and do that right now. Click on the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any of my recipes. Thank you for watching. See you next time.